discretion advised.
I'm poking around Walmart doing a little shopping. Got me a Monopoly game. And I found these. I bought them last year for $1. Sold them within 24 hours of listing. They're $2.70, but there's a whole box of them. So we're going to get them. Okay, it looks like we might be getting these also. These weren't profitable, but these purple ones seem to be doing alright. So we're going to grab them, and I think we're going to call that good. Alright, so I was about to leave when they caught me, took me into the back, and sold me more Winnie the Pooh stuff, and a whole bunch more yo-yos. So I cornered the market on yo-yos and Winnie the Pooh. We're going to go check out now. Oh, I got these too. They're not old, but I got them anyway. Cha-ching! Oh, damn it. It split. And it split and then glued back together, and they still want $5 for it. Shit. I want to put it back. Got those for you, Nate. Not really. I got them in your honor. Let's put it that way. Hey, sweetie. Why do you come get in my chair every time you see me coming? You know it's my chair, right? I don't think she knows that. The Eeyore wasn't vintage. He turned out to have several spots. I'm going to try to clean them up. But as far as this video is concerned, that was a wasted $1. Well, over there, it's me, Man Mountain Link, and that's my finger. And we're going home. We just left the new and improved Jesus Cares thrift store. And as I had feared, the prices were raised. They were selling sandals and Clarks and just any old kind of sort of name brand shoe. They was wanting $10 a piece, $10 for boots. Hell, they wanted $5 for a toboggan. I don't know. Nothing I can do at those prices. I did manage to find some stuff, and I still seem to have at least some sort of relationship with the woman that runs the place. She did allow me to go into the back, the prep area, and purchase stuff that wasn't for sale to the general public. So that's always good. I made sure that she had my phone numbers before I left, in case she ever run across any PlayStation games or Nintendo games or systems, I guess I should say. Know what those are? Guess where they were. That's going to be a booger bear trying to clean that bear. No pun intended. Can't take it out. This can be cleaned. And I want to try to do it. Try not to mess the bear up. If I can get it working, I should be able to get, if I can get it working, I should be able to get $29.95 for it. Oops, sorry for the camera work, people. It's a 1998. I paid $2 for him. He's not quite ready for the auction block yet, though. The catcher's mask was $5. Probably overpaid. It's only worth like $19.98 with free shipping. Probably closer to $17.99 with free shipping. And you can put it in a padded flat rate. So either way, I'll make a quick $5 on it, $6. Go over this last little bit of stuff here real quick. Okay, this was a quarter, and it turns out that this is probably the single most valuable thing I got. Definitely the best return on investment. Who knew? Well, actually I knew, because as soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, mine. These should be 400 bags. Hopefully there's 4 packs of 100 in there. And anytime you can buy bags to use with your business, anytime you can get supplies cheap, get them. I'll use these for something. This is a cat toy. Scared the living hell out of my cats. They're still hiding behind the couch in there. This is vintage. This is actually made in the 2000s. And I remember having one. My cats back then played with it so much they tore this loose, and then they'd take this and knock it around. But yeah, these current batch of cats don't particularly care for it, so we'll probably sell that for $8.99 with shipping. I cannot find this one. All I can find is new ones. When I look up vintage cat toy, I get toys for humans that look like cats. So anyway, the Pooh beanie balls, and they put the price stickers right on the hang tags. I had to be very, very careful to save all the hang tags, but I managed to do it. They're not extremely valuable either. I'll probably sell the set of 3 and throw in those puffy stickers, make a lot out of them. I have no idea what I asked for them. Maybe $14.99 with shipping on top. I looked up a comp, and when I say a comp, I mean I looked up to see what it was selling for on eBay. If I say comp, I'm looking to see what it's selling for. If I say sold comp, I'm looking to see what it's sold for. But anyway, I looked up comp instead of sold comp, and I was like, yeah, okay, this is worth $10. And I grabbed it up, and it's not worth $10. It may be worth $5-6. And the Guitar Hero, it isn't worth a lot either, but they were $1 a piece, and that one is new sealed. Who wouldn't take a chance at $1 a piece? These are $1. They're not vintage by any means, but I think I can get $9.99. I wish there was 6 here instead of 5, because I'd sell them in lots of 3s. But anyway, I'm pretty sure I can get $10 plus shipping on top for that. Pretty easy. There was 28 yo-yos. There's a yellow or orange, and then there's blue and a red. In the store, I scanned that barcode right there, in case you want to scan it with your phone. I scanned that barcode right there, and it pulled up one current listed item. When I got back to the house, scanned the same barcode with the same phone so I could get that picture, so I could get the screenshot to put in this video. I couldn't find it. It didn't show up again. But somebody had one of these listed for $35. None of them sold, of course. I was looking up, the sold comps are pointless because they're not the same brand. Apparently back in the day, the brand to have was Yomega or Millennium. And this isn't either one. This is like the knockoff version of that. It's vintage, but it's not like the name brand. I think what I'm going to do is sell 2 for $15 and see how that works. And I think that covers it. I appreciate you joining us. Man Mountain Link and his friendly flock of kitten cats. Over and out.
Then get your shit together. Get it all together and put it in a backpack. All your shit, so it's together. And if you gotta take it somewhere, you know? Take it to the shit store and sell it. Or put it in a shit museum. I don't care what you do. You just gotta get it together. Get your shit together.